Welcome to What I Eat in a Day on Keto. I hope that you enjoy the video. Take a look at what I eat during the day. I hope it gives you some inspiration on things that you can eat and give you some meal ideas. Keep on watching. Alright, so today I'm keeping it light for my lunch. I'm going to make some iced coffee. So to start, I'm going to take a cup of cool down coffee and put it over a cup of ice. I want to add in a scoop of my favorite collagen. Add that in. Then I'm going to add in a container of protein. This is the caramel flavor. And this is why I use this big jar. This big mixing jar so everything can fit in there. Lastly, I'm going to add in some sugar-free salted caramel syrup. About 2 tablespoons of that. All right. Stir it up. And that is my lunch for today. Alright, so for dinner tonight, I'm having an unwich. This is the gargantuan unwich with a side of chicken ranch. Most likely, I'm not going to eat this whole thing. I'm probably just going to eat half of it and then end up eating the rest of it for lunch tomorrow. But this is what I'm having for lunch. For dinner, I'm sorry. I did not feel like cooking tonight, and I am absolutely starving right now. I just had the protein shake, the protein coffee for lunch, so now it's time for me to eat dinner. It's about 6 o'clock, so let me go ahead and eat. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. What are you eating for dinner tonight? Thanks for watching. Bye.